Welcome to Burping with Reginald. I'm Reginald, and I've got a burp for you. First, we must go get the soda. Let's go. I'm here in the soda pop room. Oh, hey Matt.
What's going on, Reg? How you doing?
Not bad. What's up?
Just going over some paperwork. You?
I'm about to show everybody a gigantic burp. First, we deposit the dollar. Then we press the magic button. Then we pick up the soda. And now we open it. Oh boy, this is going to be good. Count down with me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wow, that came out of the basement instead of the attic. That soda reminds me of our virtue. The soda changed the atmosphere around me. I can't explain it. It went inside and came out a different way. Well, Jesus can do the same thing. Well, he doesn't make us gassy, but he does change the inside, which does change the atmosphere around us. Well, this has been Burping with Reginald. Tune in next week when I learn to swim with sharks. Hey, see you later, Matthew.